Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Last class we have discussed how to represent pair of linear equations in two variables algebraically as well as graphically. Let us continue today. Exercise 3.1, question number 2. The coach of a cricket team buys 3 bats and 6 balls for rupees 3900. Later she buys another bat and 3 more balls of the same kind for 1300. Represent this situation algebraically and graphically. So here what are the two variables? Bats and balls. So let the cost of one bat be rupees X. Here it is cost, so we have to denote it with rupees. The cost of one ball be rupees Y. Now we need to frame a linear equation in two variables. 3 bats and 6 balls. 3 bats. Each cost of one bat is X rupees. Like that 3 bats, that means 3X plus 6 balls. So cost of one ball is Y rupees. So 6 balls means 6Y. Total cost is 3900. If you see 3x plus 6y is equal to 3900, you can cancel 3 table in all the 3 terms. So x plus 2y is equal to 1300. This is our first linear equation in two variables. Then later she buys another bat. Another bat means one bat, that is x, plus 3 more balls. So cost of one ball is y. 3 balls, cost of 3 balls is 3y. So x plus 3y is equal to 1300. This is our second linear equation in two variables. So this is what algebraic representation of pair of linear equations in two variables. Now we need to represent graphically. For graphical representation, we need to find two solutions for each equation. Okay? Let us consider first equation. That is x plus 2y is equal to 1300. So 2y is equal to 1300 minus x. Y is equal to 1300 minus x by 2. Y is equal to 1300 minus x by 2. Here y is depending on x value. So first we will give one value for x. Here let us take x as 100. Then 1300 minus 100, 1200. 1200 by 2, 600. Okay. Any other value we can take. What we will take here? If it is 0, if x is 0, 1300 minus 0, 1300 by 2, 650. We got two solution sets. 100, 600 is one solution set. 0, 650 is another solution set, so that we can represent it on the graph sheet. Equation 2. That is x plus 3y is equal to 1300. So 3y is equal to 1300 minus x. Y is equal to 1300 minus x by 3. Here also we need to find two solutions for x and y. Okay. Now let us take x as 400. 1300 minus 400 is 900. It is easy division, children. That is why I took 400. 900 by 300 is 300. Okay. Then now I am taking x as 100. If x is 100, this is 1200. 1200 by 3, 400. Okay. Our solution set is ready. Now we have to plot on the graph sheet. Here x coordinate and y coordinate both positive. We require only first quadrant. So x, y, x dash, y dash, point of intersection of coordinate axis, that is origin. If you see here in first case, x coordinate is 100, y coordinate is 600. X coordinate is 0, y coordinate 650. Here in this case, x coordinate 400, y coordinate 300. Here x coordinate 100, y coordinate 400. So 1 unit 100 if we take, it will be convenient for us. So 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700. Now, let us consider the first pair, that is 100, 600. X coordinate is 100, y coordinate is 600. Then 0, 650. X coordinate is 0 and y coordinate is 650. So it lies on, obviously it lies on y axis, children, because x coordinate is 0, this point lies on y axis. 650 will be in between 600 and 700. Okay. This is first equation, that is x plus 2y is equal to 1300. Now, second equation, x coordinate is 400, y coordinate is 300. 400 and 300. And x coordinate is 100, y coordinate is 400. This is our second equation, that is x plus 3y is equal to 1300. This is our graphical representation of pair of linear equations in two variables. Question number 3 of exercise 3.1. The cost of 2 kg of apples and 1 kg of grapes in a day was found to be 160 rupees. After a month, the cost of 4 kg of apples and 2 kg of grapes is 300 rupees. Represent this situation algebraically and graphically. Okay. Let here two variables, cost of apple and cost of grapes. Let the cost of 1 kg of apple be rupees. Because it is cost, we have to take in rupees. X rupees. The cost of 1 kg of grapes be y rupees. Then first condition, cost of 2 kg of apples. Cost of 1 kg of apple is x. So 2 kg of apples 2x plus 1 kg of grapes, that is y, is equal to 160. So we got our first linear equation in two variables x and y. Our second situation, after a month, the cost of 4 kg of apples. Cost of 1 kg apple is x, so 4 kg of apples 4x plus 2 kg of grapes 2y is equal to 300. 4x plus 2y is equal to 300, which is nothing but 2x plus y is equal to 150. That is our second equation. So algebraic representation. Now we have to represent these two graphically. For graphical representation, we need to find two solutions for each equation. Let us consider first equation. That is 2x plus y is equal to 160. So 2x is equal to 160 minus y. X is equal to 160 minus y by 2. We need to find two solutions. Here, if you give y any value, y can take any value. Here I am giving y as 20. 160 minus 20, 140. 140 by 2, 70. If y is 40, 160 minus 40, 120 by 2, 60. So x is 60. Equation 2. That is 2x plus y is equal to 150. 2x is equal to 150 minus y. X is equal to 150 minus y by 2. For this equation also we need to find two solutions. So to represent a linear equation in two variables on a graph sheet, we need two solutions. Here, if at all if y is 50, x is equal to 150 minus 50, that is 100 by 2, 50. Both are same. X and y both are equal here. And one more, any number you can give, any value you can give for y. Here I am giving 30. If y is 30, 150 minus 30, that is 120. 120 by 2, 60. So x is 60. Now our solution set is ready. We need to plot on the graph sheet. So both x and y are positive. We need only first quadrant. X, y, x dash, y dash, origin. If you see x coordinate and y coordinate in both the cases, they are multiples of 10. So we will take one unit as 10. Okay, for first equation, x is 70, y is 20. X is 60, second solution set, x is 60, y is 40. So this is the first equation, that is 2x plus y is equal to 160. Now solution set of second equation, x is 50, y is 50. 50, 50. Okay, let us write the equation on the top of this thing, because 50, 50. and x is 60, y is 30. 60, 30. So this is first equation, 2x plus y is equal to 160. This is second equation, 2x plus y is equal to 150. So if you observe, these two are not at all intersecting at all, so they are parallel lines.